Hi everyone, my name is Christy and finally I received my June 2022 IPSY GLAM bag and I am so excited to be sharing my unbagging in this video today. I already received both of my BoxyCharm boxes for the month. It was the Boxy Luxe month and got my BoxyCharm Premium, my IPSY GLAM bag Plus. So those unboxings are all up here on my YouTube channel already. And I've also started doing the full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I've gotten in those. So just a heads up, I'm not going to be trying out the makeup products that I get in this bag in this video because I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day, and that's where I'll be trying out all of the makeup products that I get. But so this IPSY GLAM bag is a monthly beauty subscription, which is supposed to be customized to each person based off of your preferences that you put in a quiz, the feedback that you give on your reviews each month on the products that you get. And so I'm just hoping for some good personalization products that actually, fit what I've told IPSY I am looking for. Okay, first thing I see is the glam bag. It's cute. Whenever I get a glam bag, I'm like, is this actually the bag that they advertise for the month? Because I've gotten some glam bags that were not the actual theme of the month, but since this has the little fruit detail, I think this is part of the theme. And there is one product left here in the mailer, which is actually, from what I can remember, the product that I chose. It's from Milk Makeup and it's the Hydro Grip Primer. So just a little sample of it. I mean, it's a decent size sample. I'll be able to get a few uses out of it, see if it's a product that I would want to purchase in the full size. But I think I should have some product information in here, which I like to see, like retail value of the items. Yes, so the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, this is a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $36, which is definitely a pricey product. But I've heard such great things about the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I love gripping primers. I love trying out new primers, so I'm excited about this one. Next up, ooh, pretty packaging here, and this is from the brand Ace Beauté, blushed up in the shade Peachy. I like the brand Ace Beauté, and I like blushes. Let's see what shade this is. Oh, this is such adorable packaging. I love the pink. And this is a nice shade. Not too red. Like through the packaging, I was like, oh no, it's gonna be too red of a blush for me. But no, it actually is more like an actual peach shade, which hopefully will flatter my skin tone. But holding it up to my cheeks, like it matches my cheeks right now pretty nicely. Seems like it's gonna go with my skin tone pretty nicely. I'm actually getting a spray tan tomorrow, so my skin will hopefully have a little bit more like sun-kissed glow going on, and maybe I can use more of these, I guess I wouldn't say like brighter, but more like the blushes that I don't usually pull off very nicely with my super fair skin. When I have a tan, I might be able to pull these off better. And wow, that is a great sample size because this is considered a deluxe sample. The Ace Beauté Blushed Up Blush in the shade Peachy, and the full size retails for $30. Another pricey product. And next, I've got, ooh, this looks like cool packaging too. And I love the pink bubble wrap. This is, from the brand Half Caked, which is a brand that I'm also now familiar with through IPSY. This is Mirror Mirror. Ooh, a highlighter. I love trying out new highlighters. This looks like a pretty champagne shade. It's called Fortune Faded. Wow. So far, I am getting like everything I need for the face. Primer, got the blush, got the highlighter. Another great size sample. It's always such a bummer when I get the teeniest, tiniest little samples, but these actually are great. Like the Half Caked Mirror Mirror highlighter in the shade Fortune Faded is a deluxe sample of the full size, which retails for $14. Next up, yes, more makeup. I just really prefer to get makeup in my beauty subscriptions. So when it's more makeup heavy, that's when I'm the happiest. So I'm feeling pretty happy with this bag so far. And this is from the brand Nomad, which I kind of recognize probably through IPSY, Nomad Cosmetics. And this is Iceland Fire and Ice Intense Eyeshadow. Eyeshadows are another type of product that I really love to try out. And they're just so fun to play around with. Let's see what this shade looks like. And once again, really beautiful packaging. Oh, it's so cute and tiny. But I mean, for an eyeshadow, that's fine. A beautiful purple shade. So I actually have tried out the Nomad Cosmetics Iceland and Fire full palette. So I can have that review video linked in the description down below. But I am still excited to just play around with this single purple eyeshadow, create like a completely purple look. But Nomad Cosmetics makes really beautiful eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes. And this Nomad Cosmetics Nomad X Iceland Fire and Ice Intense Eyeshadow in Alfheim. The full-size palette retails for $39. And then my fifth and final product in here is also a brand that I recognize through IPSY, K. Voss. Ooh, Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask. Now this is right up my alley. I love lip masks because I get such dry lips. Ooh, this sounds like it's going to be so nice. Sweet almond, olive oil, pomegranate, and pineapple. Yay. So this one also seems like a sample. A decent size sample though. Oh, it says full size, but not for resale is what it says on it, which makes me think it's like a sample, but they're counting this as full size. Retail value of $28. Oh my gosh, that's expensive for a lip mask. So it says your 5 new products are supposed to be valued at $50+. And that's where I'm like, is that true? It's so hard to know with these samples. But aside from the fact that I feel like this is probably not $50 worth, I'm really excited about the products that I actually got because this truly is so well curated to me. It's brands that I am familiar with and I've enjoyed from other products, and they're all types of products that I love to get. So I will do a quick recap. I got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, the Ace Beauté Blushed Up, the Half Caked Mirror Highlighter, the Nomad Cosmetics Eyeshadow, and the K. Voss Lip Potion Lip Mask. I'm so excited to try all of these out in upcoming dedicated videos here on YouTube. But if you've tried any of these, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them, any tips for when I go to use them. And what did you get in your June 2022 IPSY Glam Bag? But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.